Many designers say that it's the details that people notice, and I tend to agree, especially when it comes to wood trim in the home. If your door casings and baseboards are a little plain for your taste, here's a simple, quick, and inexpensive way to give your wood trim real character. I call it stacking, applying additional strips of molding on top of what's already there. Let me show you what I mean. Now, this is pretty common colonial door casing. Not especially interesting, but it can be made a lot more so by the addition of something like this. This is half-round molding, about 3/4 of an inch wide, and we can apply this right to the outer edge of the casing, just like that. Now you can see this first piece of half-round has added a lot of nice definition to the outer edge of the casing. Let's put a second piece on, about 1 inch in from this side. This will be a smaller piece of half-round, and we'll put it about right there. Now down here on this baseboard, we're going to stack 3 pieces of molding. Now I ask you, how does this stack up with a coat of paint from plain to fancy in a matter of minutes? You probably noticed that I attached these moldings with a pneumatic nail gun. It's much faster than hammer and nails and much easier on your walls. These days you can buy a nail gun, compressor, and hose for a little over $200, or you can rent one. So have a little fun with this project. Pick up a few different molding samples and try them out. You'll have to admit, these are the kinds of details that will get noticed.